Hello, my name is Luisa Maria Suarez. I am 26 years old. I like to work, study, and share with my family. My routine, a normal day starts at 6 in the morning. I prepare breakfast for my husband and my daughter. I organize the house a bit and we go to work. We have a carpentry and we are in this place and day. We sand paint, we repair protein, we wet other things. We close the workshop at 5 in the afternoon and go home to rest. On some days we go out to group where when met with some people to talk about our experience. We go to sleep at night and so on to one more day of our life. Thank you.